Have you ever felt your stomach drop when someone stopped replying? No explanation? Have you ever felt your stomach drop when someone stopped replying? No explanation? No closure? Just silence. Why does being ignored hurt so much? Sometimes more than being insulted or yelled at. This isn't just in your head. There's a deep psychological reason silence wounds us, and today we're going into the dark side of human connection to find out why. Section 1. The evolution of social pain. Thousands of years ago, being ignored by your tribe didn't just hurt, it could kill you. Rejection meant exile, and exile meant death. Our brains adapted to treat social pain like physical pain. In fact, neuroscientists have found that the same brain regions light up when you're physically hurt and when you're socially rejected. Silence isn't neutral. It's read by the brain as danger. Section 2. The weaponization of silence. In toxic relationships, silence becomes a weapon. It's not just absence, it's control. The silent treatment is often used to punish, manipulate, or destabilize someone emotionally. Narcissists do this to regain power. Parents do it without realizing the lifelong damage. Lovers do it because they don't know how to fight fairly. And when you're on the receiving end, you start to question your worth, your sanity, your identity. Section 3. Attachment theory. Why some suffer more. Not everyone reacts to silence the same way. If you had anxious attachment as a child, if love felt inconsistent or conditional, then silence might feel unbearable. It triggers that old wound. I'm not good enough. I'm being abandoned. I'm alone again. This isn't weakness. It's a survival response. You're not needy. You're human. Section 4. The silence in your mind. But sometimes the silence outside only echoes the silence within. The truth is, when others ignore us, it can force us to face what we've been ignoring in ourselves. Our need for validation, our fear of rejection, our avoidance of discomfort. Silence holds a mirror to our insecurities, and that mirror can either shatter us or show us what needs healing. Section 5. Reclaiming power from silence. So how do you fight back against something so quiet? You don't. You observe it. You listen to what it brings up inside you. You learn to sit with the discomfort without abandoning yourself. Eventually, you stop begging for noise from others and start finding your voice within. Silence can be punishment, but it can also be protection, clarity, even rebirth. Section 6. Modern silence, digital ghosting. In the age of constant connection, being ignored hits harder. A message seen but not answered. A story watched but not acknowledged. Ghosting isn't silence. It's a scream without sound. And yet, it's everywhere. Section 7. The final shift. The real healing begins when you stop asking, "Why are they silent?" and start asking, "Why am I still waiting?" Because the loudest response to silence is walking away. Closing reflection. If someone's silence is destroying you, ask yourself, what am I really afraid of hearing in their absence? And what would happen if I stopped waiting for them to break the silence and started breaking my own?